2015 Toyota Camry 2ar-fe engine. Well, the story of this car that somebody put a diesel in it, and nobody was able to figure it out, while some people were trying. Uh, Somebody swapped out a phaser, messed up the timing mark. Then finally, after 3 months, the Toyota dealer figured out it's a fuel pump. The owner picked it up, replaced the fuel pump, and he had the codes for timing. For the timing, tried to move the gears and did not move it in the right position. This was the result. The original intention was to replace the engine, but then I looked at a couple used motors and they were in a worse shape than this one is. And then since the motor was kind of locked up, I had to take out the cylinder head to unbolt the transmission anyway. And I did not find a significant I did not find the damage to the valve guides or the valve seats. Either I checked the height of the pistons to check if it's got bended out or something. Don't see a damage on the side of the pistons, so I checked everything, whether it's holding. I'm talking about if it's holding a liquid on top of them. It does. So then I made the decision to fix this motor, and that's what I'm doing. Well, majorly replaced 8 exhaust valves, lapped all the valves, of course new seals, and lots of cleaning. Have to clean the bolts. You kind of have to because they are on the sealant. That all these all that and of course more clean bolts and the timing cover. And I also cleaned the intake. Well, new head bolts. That's the gasket set from Toyota, and honestly a couple other parts. And since the guides were worn out, new guides and the new timing chain. Well, and this is the parts that don't come in the gasket kit. Those are the seals for the VVTi solenoids, but a little bit of parts, but kind of pricey. Well, these things I don't clean till I am ready to put them on, because the probably will get rusted if you just clean them and leave them sitting like that. So that's pretty much it's all started with somebody just putting a diesel in a car, and then another people not able to figure out what happened. Well, here it is. And that's how I organize the head parts, something like that. That's another parts are already cleaned. Well, lots of cleaning in that job, a lot.